What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video, man. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be going to the shop and get my cars fixed. Yes, I have an exhaust leak. I don't know if you guys probably hear it. I just turned the car on. You guys can probably hear it. I got a little exhaust leak, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be going to the shop and I'm gonna try and fix it. And I might be getting my mufflers cut off. Depends how much they charge me.
The next day.
YouTube, man, welcome back to another video. As you can see, it's currently the next day. You guys probably seen the last clip of me from yesterday, but it's currently the next day. I'm going back to the shop because they had too many people yesterday, so I had to make an appointment for today. So I made an appointment before early in the morning. It's like 10 in the morning right now, but like I told you guys yesterday, I'm making an appointment for my exhaust leak because I do have an exhaust leak on my G37. So I'm going over there right now. I got an appointment for 10:15. It's 10 o'clock right now, so it's like 3 minutes away from my house. So I'm about to go ahead and show you guys my exhaust leak real quick. You guys hear that? It's a pretty bad exhaust leak. Yeah, hopefully they don't take too long trying to fix it because I don't want to be waiting. My bad, Joe, the camera cut off, but like I said, I'm not trying to be waiting there for too long. I hope they don't take more than an hour trying to do this shit, but if they do, then it is what it is. As long as my car gets done perfectly fine and they don't mess nothing up, you know what I'm saying? As long as it get done perfectly fine. Yeah, I'm about to get my car started, warm it up and shit. We about to head over there right now, and I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm over there, gang. All right, y'all, we made it. You know what I'm saying? We made it to the shop. So right now I'm about to go in and check in for my 10:15 appointment. And let's hope they don't take too long, man. I don't want to be here for too long. So let's go ahead and go tell them I'm here for the 10:15 appointment. No cap. I'm gonna try and get some footage for y'all though. I ain't gonna lie. Try and get some footage for y'all, man. Y'all, so I'm in the waiting room right now. I can see my car through the camera, but I can't go outside and look at my car because, you know, they're working on it. But I was trying to go outside, but I'll probably go outside a little bit and show you guys. But I can see my car through the camera. They're not doing nothing crazy except for exhaust leak. So when I come back to do my muffler delete, I'm standing outside and hearing it when they started up. So, yeah. Sorry, I can't get footage from outside. But, I don't know if y'all can see. My car is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. But alright, y'all, bad news, man. Bad news. I got bad news. So guy came to me, gave me this paper, right? So not my whole exhaust has to be replaced. Hold on, I'm gonna start driving home. Not my entire exhaust has to be replaced, but part of my exhaust has to be replaced. So, and now I'm driving, I'm about to head home. So I'm gonna try and explain to you guys what happened when I get home, but it's not too crazy, but it's something I need to order. So I'm gonna try and go home, and then when I get home, I'm gonna explain to you guys what the guy told me and what I need to order, and then come back and, you know, do. But damn, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that, but I'm about to go ahead and go home, and I'll explain to you guys when I get home. All right, y'all, so I just got home from the shop, but this is the paper he gave me. This is my exhaust, and basically I need to get this Y pipe right here. So I basically need to order it. He told me that if I did it there, it's gonna be $900, and I'm not paying $900. So I'm gonna have to order this somewhere. I'm gonna start looking for it after I finish this video. I'm gonna look for this white pipe right here, and then I'm gonna order it. And then he said it's gonna be like $250 to put it on over there. So I might just be doing that. It probably is less than $900 that he told me. So yeah, this is my exhaust, and he told me to get this pipe. They would go put it on. He said it was leaking from all 3 places. I should be getting that pipe ASAP. After I go ahead and fix this up, you know what I'm saying? Or I can buy me a whole brand new exhaust, and I really don't want to spend like $2,000 on a brand new exhaust. I want to just save my $2,000 and stay with the exhaust that I have now. But obviously I have an exhaust leak, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this white pipe that I need to get, and I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna go back over there in like a couple weeks and get it done. So right now I'm gonna have to deal with the exhaust leak. I don't want it. I wanted it to get done today, but they can't do it because I need to order this white pipe, and I was not paying $900 over there, you know, to get it done. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this white pipe after this, and showing you guys this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off these 2 mufflers when I the next time I go to fix this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these 2 mufflers. Might cut off the resignators, I don't know, but I don't want it to sound too raspy and too you know, ugly. So I don't know. I might cut off the resignators, I don't know, but I'm definitely cutting off the mufflers, and I'm gonna stay with just, you know, I'm gonna stay with that for a while until I go ahead and buy me a new exhaust, which is gonna be, you know, later on in the journey. So yeah, I couldn't get the my exhaust fixed today, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I'm most likely will do a part 2 when I go back and I get the pipe, and I'll go back and, you know, get it done and all that shit. So stay tuned for part 2. Hopefully I get it in a couple weeks, and I go and, you know, get it done really fast. But you know, it all takes time, you know, time and energy. So y'all stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you leave a like on this video. I tried getting you guys the content, man. I tried, but I'm not paying $900 right now to go get that fixed. I'm gonna just order it online, find somewhere to order it, and you know, go back and get it done. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2, because I am going to be recording next time I get the white pipe and go get it done. So stay tuned for part 2, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Gang.